Good morning, children. Sai Ram. So today in our maths class, we are going to start a new chapter. Chapter number 5, multiplication. Last class we saw in subtraction word problems, right? Till that the chapter is over. Now today we are going to see chapter number 5, multiplication. Shall we start? Yes. Now tell me, what do you mean by multiplication? Multiplication means the repeated addition of similar group of things. It is also called the product of two numbers. I'll repeat it. What do you mean by multiplication? Multiplication means the repeated addition of similar groups. It is the repeated addition of similar group of things. It is also called the product of two numbers. I'll tell you one example. Now let's take the number 2 into 3. 2 into 3. What does it mean? You're going to add 2 times. So 2 plus 2 plus 2. It is the repeated addition of similar group of things. So we are going to add 2. How many times? 3 times. 2 plus 2. So 6. 2 into 3, 6. So this is multiplication. Now it is also called the product of two numbers. The answer we get right, that is called the product. So I'll take you an example now. 2 into 3 same. 2 into 3. So here the answer we get right, 6. That is the product. What is the product? It is the product of two numbers. See, it is also called the product of two numbers. So 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. 6 is the product, right? So here 2 is the multiplicand. Here 2 is the multiplicand and 3 is the multiplier. What do you mean by multiplicand? Number to be multiplied. What do you mean by multiplicand? Number to be multiplied. And 3, number by which we multiply. Number by which we multiply. And the answer we get right, 6. That is the product. Answer or result we get right, that is called product. So multiplicand into multiplier is equal to product. I'll repeat it. Multiplicand means number to be multiplied, and multiplier, number by which we multiply. The product, answer or result is a product. So you know what is multiplication? Multiplication means a repeated addition of similar group of things. Now we shall have a recall of what you have studied in your previous class. That means class 3. Yes. Now find the product of. You have done all these things in class 3. Just we shall have a recall now. Find the product of A 78 into 2. We are going to multiply 78 by 2. Shall we multiply this number? 78 by 2? Yes. Yes, 78 is the multiplicand and 2 is the multiplier. And shall we find out the product now? Yes, what we have to do? So, we have to multiply this by 2. Right? Now, we'll take the multiplicand. First, we'll take the ones digit. Digit at the ones place. We'll multiply the digit at the ones place by 2 now. What digit we are having at the ones place now? 8. Shall we multiply this? Yes, first we'll multiply this. 8 into 2. 8 2s are or 2 into 8. Whatever is possible. So whichever is easy for you, you can take. 8 into 2, 16. Very good. So it's a 2-digit number. So write 6 here. That one will be carried over to the next place, tens place. 8 2s are 16. 6, 1 will be carried over. Now take the second one. Now take the tens digit at the tens place. What digit I'm having at the tens place? 7. Now 7 you multiply by 2. 7 into 2. 7 2s are. Tell me the answer now. 7 2s are 14. And you add this carry over. 14 plus 1, 15. So the answer is 156. What you have to do while doing multiplication? So first I have taken the ones digit, the digit at the ones place, that I have multiplied by the number 2. So 8 2s are 16, 6, 1 will be carried over. Now take the digit at the tens place, 7, you multiply by 2. 7 2s are 14. Then you don't forget to add this carry over. 14 plus 1, 15. So my answer is 156. I think you all know this, right, children? Yes. B sum. We'll move on to the B sum. We are going to multiply 423 into 7. Here 423 is the multiplicand and 7 is the multiplier. Shall we find out the product now? Yes. Now write the number 423 into 7. Now take the first one. Take the digit at the ones place. Multiply by 7. 3 7s are 21. Very good. So write 1 here. 2 will be carried over here. So 3 7s are 21. You know 3 tables, right? 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6 are 18. 3 7s are 21. So write 1 here. 2 is carried over to the next place. That means the tens place. Now let's multiply the tens place now. So now take the digit at the tens place. What digit I'm having at the tens place now? 2. Now 2 multiply by 7. 2 into 7. Now you're going to take 2 into 7. Now this we are going to multiply. 2 7s are 14. 14. After that what we have to do? We have to add the carry over part. After 14, 15, 16. So 6 I'm writing it here. 1 will be carried over to the next place. That means the hundreds place. Now let's now let's multiply the hundreds place. Now we'll take the digit at the hundreds place. What digit we are having at the hundreds place? 4. We'll multiply by 7. 4 into 7. Now we'll multiply this. Now tell me the answer now. 4 into 7. I think you all know 4 tables, right? 4 7s are 28. Plus this one carried over part. 28 plus 1, 29. So write it down. The answer is 2961. So first, while doing multiplication, what we have to do? You have to multiply the multiplicand by the multiplier, right? So in the B sum, first I have taken 3 into 7, 21. 1, 2 will be carried over. Next, 2 into 7. So 14, 14 plus 2, 16, 6, 1 will be carried over. Again, then 4, the hundreds, the digit at the hundreds place. What digit? 4, then into 7. 4 7s are 28 plus 1, 29. So my answer is 2961. Shall we move on to the next sum? Now C sum. So here we are going to multiply two digit number, 97 into 32. We are going to multiply 97 into 32. How to multiply this number? First write it down. 97 into 32. So what we should do now? I think you all know this, right? So first we'll multiply the multiplicand. What is the multiplicand here? 97. Now we'll take the multiplicand. That means 97. We are going to multiply by the digit at the ones place of the multiplier. What digit you are having in the ones place? 2. So 97 into 2. First we'll multiply 97 into 2 and we'll write down the answer. Shall we start now? First what we have to do? Take the multiplicand 97, multiply by the ones digit of the multiplier. So 97, first take this. So multiply by 97. Yes, 97 into 2. Shall we do this now? Yes, so 97 into 2 first shall we multiply. So first we'll multiply this. Okay. Now tell me 2s. So 7 2s are or 2 7s are, whichever is possible, 2. Whichever is easy for you, you can multiply. 7 2s are 2 7s are. 2 7s are 14. 4. 1 will be carried over, right? Don't forget to carry over that part. Then 2, you have to multiply by the tens place, the digit at the tens place, right? So 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. So write it down, 194. 194. Now let's take the, what next we have to do? 97, this. So next we are going to take this, we are going to multiply. We are going to multiply the multiplicand by the digit at the tens place. What digit we are having at the tens place? 3. 3 tens, that means 30, right? 3 tens, 30. No need to put 0. So just leave that. So just I will multiply by 3 now. So 3 sevens are 21, right? 1, 2 will be carried over, right? 3 nines are 9 threes. 9 threes are, whichever is possible, whichever is easy for you can do that. 3 nines are 27. 27 plus 2, 29. So my answer is 2910, and one more 0. It is in tens place, right? So that 0 no need to put. So where I should write the tens place? So leave the ones place, because this is the tens place, right? So leave this place and write 291. 1 in the tens place, 9 in the hundreds place, 2 in the thousands place, because this is the tens place, right? So now 97 we have multiplied by 3 tens, right? So this is tens place. So just we are multiplying by 3 tens. So answer is 2910. No need to write the 0. Just leave that place and start from the tens place, right? Now what we have to do? Now we have to add these two numbers. Shall we add this? Yes. Shall we add these two numbers? Now let's add from the ones place. 4 plus nothing is there, so just bring it down. Then 9 plus tens place, 9 plus 1. After 9, 10. 0, 1 will be carried over. Then let's add the hundreds place. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 9. After 9, 10, 11. So 1 will be carried over. 2 plus 1, 3. So my answer is 3104. I'll repeat it one more time. What we have to do? See, 97 into 32. First take 2. So first we are going to multiply the multiplicand by the ones digit of the multiplier. So 97 into 2. Write down the answer. Now second step, take the multiply the multiplicand by the tens place. By the tens place of the multiplier. 97 into 3 is the second step. So write it down. Leave one space. Why have left one space? Because this is the tens place, right? So 1 0 should be added. So I'm just leaving that 0. So I'm starting from this place. So 291. After that, what we have to do? You have to add these two numbers. So my answer is 3104. Next, find the product using expanded notation form. I think you all know expanded notation, right? We are going to, first we'll write the number in the expanded notation, in the expanded form. Then we'll multiply the sum. So what is the first sum? 67 into 6. We are going to multiply 67 into 6. So now what we are going to do? This we are going to change into the we're going to convert into the expanded form. So 67 expanded form, you all know, right? So 60 plus 7, write it down. 60 plus 7 into 6. 60 plus 7 into 6. What is the meaning? So next, 60 into 6, just split it out. 60 into 6 plus 7 into 6. Just split this to 60 plus 7. Expanded form is 60 plus 7. You know this expanded form, right? Write it down. 60 plus 7 into 6. I'm keeping it as it is. Now we'll split this. So 60 into 6 plus 7 into 6. You have bracket, right? So I'm going to split 60 into 6 plus 7 into 6. Now 60 into 6. What is the answer? 6 into 0, 0, 6 6 are 36, right? 6 6 are 36, write the answer now. 360 plus 7 6 are 42. Now add both these numbers. 360 plus 42. What is the answer now? Add 360 plus 42. Tell me the answer now. 360 plus 42. 0 plus 2, 2. Write it down. 6 plus 4, 10. 0, 1 will be carried over. 3 plus 1, 4. So my answer is 402. 67 into 6. 67. If you multiply 67 by 6, my answer is 402. So you all know how to find the product using expanded form, right? So first change the number multiplicand into the expanded form. So 67, 60 plus 7 into 6. That means 60 into 6 plus 7 into 6. So 60 into 6, 360 plus 7 6 are 42. So just add together 402. So 67 by 6, when you multiply 67 by 6, the answer is 402. One more sum. Put the correct sign. Put the correct sign. You're going to put the exact sign a sum, whether greater than, less than or equal to. So now the sum is 24 into 17. We are going to multiply 24 by 17. And next one 12 by 14. First we'll find out the answer. From the answer we'll compare now. Yes. So first take the number 24. We'll multiply by 17. 24 by 17. We'll find out the product. So now 24. First we'll take this 24. First we have to multiply by 7. First we should multiply the multiplicand by the digit at the ones place of the multiplier. What digit we are having at the ones place of the multiplier? 7. So I'm taking 24 into 7 first. So 7 4s are, or 4 7s are 28. So 8, 2 will be carried over, and 7 2s are, now 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 2, 16. Write it down, 168. Now take the next one. So now 24. Now 24 we are going to, this multiplicand we are going to multiply by the digit at the tens place of the multiplier. What digit we are having at the tens place? 1. That means 110, right? So tens place, as it is a tens place, to 24 into 10, 240. 24 into 10, 240. So no need to write the 0. Just leave that space and write 24. So now what we have to do? Add these two numbers now. 168 plus 24. Shall we add these two numbers? 8. 8. Now 6 plus 4, 10. 0. 1 will be carried over. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So my answer is 408. Write it down, 408. Now take the second number 12. We are going to multiply 12 by 14. 12 into 14. So now multiply the multiplicand by the ones digit of the multiplier. So 12 4s are, 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4. Write it down, 48. Now multiply the multiplicand by the tens digit of the 1. We are having 1, right? So this we are going to multiply now. So 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. Where we have to start? So this place we should keep it as empty or put 0 there. So now 12, 2 in the tens place, 1 in the hundreds place. Now let's add the numbers. 8 plus 0, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. 1. So my answer is 168. Now compare between 408 and 168. Now tell me which is greater, 408 or 168? Yes, 408 is greater than, so 168. So 24, when you multiply 24 into 17, 24 by 17, that is greater than 12 by 17. When you multiply 12 by 17, the answer is 168, that is less. So 408 is greater than 168. Write down. So while comparing the two numbers, first multiply and find out the product. The answer first you find out, and from that answer you can compare the numbers. Right, children? So first in this 24 into 17. So I have multiplied 24 into 7. Write down the answer. Then 24 into 1. So write down the answer. So after that add together 408. Now take the second number 12 into 14. So 12 into 4, write out the answer. Then 12 into 1, add all together 168. So now which is greater, 408 or 168? 408. Now last, a factory makes 275 packets of biscuits every day. It's a word problem. Listen to the question carefully and read the question 2 to 3 times till you understood. A factory makes 275 packets of biscuits every day. So factory is making how many packets of biscuits in a day? 275 packets in a day. In one day it is making 275 packets. How many packets of biscuits will it make in 9 days? So in one day they have given, we have to find out for 9 days. In that case, if they give for one day, asking us to find for more days, what we have to do? We have to multiply. Don't forget, if they are giving 1, asking for more, we have to multiply. Understood? A factory makes 275 packets of biscuits every day. So in one day, how many packets? 275 packets. How many packets of biscuits will it make in 9 days? So for one day we know, and we have to find out the answer for 9 days. Shall we find out now? Yes, now write the statement. Number of packets of biscuits made in one day. How many packets of biscuits they are making in one day? Right? Number of packets of biscuits made in one day. How many packets? 275. Now, how many days we want to find out? So, for how many days we have to find out the answer? For 9 days, right? So, number of days, how many days? 9. A number of packets of biscuits made in 9 days. So, for 9 days we have to find out, right? So, number of packets of biscuits made in 9 days. How many packets they can make in 9 days? So, what we have to do? I told you, we have to multiply. If they have given for 1, asking for more means we have to multiply. So, we are going to multiply 275 into 9. Shall we multiply 275 into 9? Yes. So, first take 9, multiply, we should multiply, first take now. So, 5 into 9 or 9 into 5, 9 5s are 45, 5, 4. So, 4 will be carried over. 9 7s are, you know, what is the answer for 9 7s are? 63. 63 plus 4, 64, 65, 66, 67. So, 7, 6 will be carried over. Now, 9 2s are 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So, what is my answer? 2475. First, what we have to do? We have to multiply the multiplicand by the multiplier. 275 into 9. First 9 into 5, 45, or else you can take 5 into 9 also. Take the 1st digit, multiply by 9, 5 9s are 45, 5 into 4. Then 7 9s are 63, 63 plus 4, 67, 7 plus 3, plus 6 you will be carried over. Then 2 9s are 18, 18 plus 6, 24. So my answer is 2475. Now fill in the blanks. So my answer is 27. So what number I should multiply so that to get 27? Shall we put like this? 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. You know this, right? So how will you get 27? When you multiply 3 into 3 by 9, you will get the answer as 27. Or 9 into 3 also. 3 9s are 27. 3 into 9. And 81. 9 9s are 81. You all know 9 tables, right? 9 9s are 81. 49. Which table you will get 49? Think and tell me the answer now. Yes, 7. 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. So 3 9s are 27. 3 into 9 is 27. 9 into 9, 81. 7 into 7, 49. Now today we are going to revise the tables, multiplication table. Shall we see? Now today we are going to see table of 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Shall we see 11 table now? 11 ones are 11. Repeat after me, children. 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 22. 11 threes are 33. 11 fours are 44. 11 fives are 55. 11 six are 66. 11 sevens are 77. 11 eights are 88. 11 nines are 99. 11 tens are 110. One more time. 11 ones are 11. 11 into 1 is equal to 11. 11 twos are 22. 11 threes are 33. 11 fours are 44. 11 fives are 55. 11 six are 66. 11 sevens are 77. 11 eights are 88. 11 nines are 99. 11 tens are 11. Now let's move on to table of 22. We'll see the 12 tables now. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 into 4, 48. 12 into 5, 60. 12 6 are 72. 12 sevens are 84. 12 eights are 96. 12 nines are 108. 12 tens are 120. I'll repeat it one more time. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. 12 fives are 60. 12 six are 72. 12 sevens are 84. 12 eights are 96. 12 nines are 108. 12 tens are 120. Now let's move on to the table of 13. 13 tables. 13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26. 13 threes are 39. 13 fours are 52. 13 fives are 65. 13 six are 78. 13 sevens are 91. 13 eights are 104. 13 nines are 117. 13 tens are 130. Now let's move on to table 14. 14 tables. 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28. 14 threes are 42. 14 fours are 56. 14 into 5, 70. 14 into 6, 84. 14 into 7, 98. 14 eights are 112. 14 into 9, 126. 14 tens are 140. I'll repeat it. 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28. 14 threes are 42. 14 fours are 56. 14 fives are 70. 14 six are 84. 14 sevens are 98. 14 eights are 112. 14 nines are 126. 14 tens are 140. Let's move on to the 15 tables. 15 table of 15. 15 ones are 15. 15 twos are 30. 15 threes are 45. 15 fours are 60. 15 fives are 75. 15 six are 90. 15 sevens are 105. 15 eights are 120. 15 nines are 135. 15 tens are 150. Now, homework for you. Find the product of A sum 982 into 8. Going to multiply 982 by 8. B sum, you're going to multiply 75 by 26. 75 into 26. And learn and write the tables of 11 to 15 for 2 times in your notebook. You're going to write tables of 11 to 15 for how many times? 2 times in your notebook, and you're going to show it to me. So first find the product. 982 into 8. 75 into 26. Learn and write the tables of 11 to 15 for 2 times and in your notebook. Thank you, children. See you in the next class.